Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Brother DCP-195C printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up photo capture on this device. So firstly, open menu, then scroll down to photo capture and click OK. Scroll, and now you can set up 5, 6, 7, 8. You can now you can set up eight different settings. So as you can see, we can change print quality. So I will use best, or quality normal, or photo. So I will use photo quality. Go next, paper type A4. I have no A4 here, so I will use plain paper. Here in paper size I will use A4. Okay. Print size max 8 to 10 or to 13. So okay. Color enhance off on. So I will enhance my color. It will reduce faster my attromance, but the quality will better. White balance, so it's great settings, so I will not turn it. Sharpness, I will make printing sharpener. Color density, so maybe yes. And brightness. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.